Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you what to do if your LENOVO Yoga Book 9 freezes. If your LENOVO Yoga Book 9 has freezed, there are two ways of your laptop being freezed. Two types of your laptop being freezed. So the first one is actually more common, which is a certain app is freezed, not your whole laptop. And in order to fix that problem, it's gonna be a bit simpler. So let's get to fixing that problem first. You should try opening the keyboard or using the physical keyboard. I'm gonna use the virtual one. If it opens, then it's great. If it doesn't, then try using the physical one and click on Ctrl, Alt and Delete at the same time. It should open a screen like this. And you should click on Task Manager. If it doesn't open the screen, then maybe your whole laptop is freezed. So I'm gonna get to solutions about this in a moment. So here, try closing the app that has freezed. I'm actually not gonna close the Windows Explorer, but you can just press and hold on it, then click on, I think, Finish Task or something like that. I can do it with Task Manager, by the way. End task, yeah. So this is what you should click on, and after that, try reopening the app and see if it works. And if it doesn't, then you should also scroll all the way down until you can find Windows Explorer. But I actually have the Windows Explorer right here, so I can press and hold on it, then click on Restart. Wait a moment and see if that helps. If it doesn't help, then you should do the solutions that are gonna be the same for when your whole laptop freezes. So let's talk about them. There are two. So the first one is pressing and holding on the power button until the whole laptop turns off. So you need to wait until the display goes fully off. Wait for 15 seconds, and after that press on the power button shortly until it turns on your laptop again. Now my laptop is turning on, by the way, but if it didn't help, if you weren't able to shut your laptop down with this method, then in a really rare case it happens that pressing and holding doesn't help. So try again and see if holding for half a minute helps. If it really doesn't, then the only method is to unplug it from the charging and to wait until it discharges so it doesn't have any more power to run. And when it turns off, it may take several hours, unfortunately, but as I say, this is very, very rare. So it will help for sure. And after that, just plug your laptop in again, wait until it charges a bit for 15 minutes and turn it on. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.